Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a reusable plant system in a plastic bottle using a sapling. But this time we are adding a twist. We are going to add a sweet fragrance to the plant system by making a perforated upper part of the water carrying cylinder and adding perfume. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to grow plants and keep your home smelling fresh. Before we get started, let's go over the material and tools that we will need for this project. You will need a scissor or a sharp knife, soil and saplings, gravel or small rocks, water, your favorite perfume, and a plastic bottle. Cutting the bottle using your scissor or sharp knife, carefully cut the top of the plastic bottle just below the neck. Be sure to cut straight and clean them to make a neat opening of your plant. Adding a perforated upper part using a sharp object, making small hole in the upper part of the bottle that you just cut off. Be sure to make enough hole to allow air to circulate, but not too many that water will leak out. In the opening of the bottle, add a string and just do like that. Next, add a label of gravel or small rocks to the bottom of the bottle like this. This will help in drainage and prevent the soil from becoming waterlogged. Now fill the rest of the part with soil, keeping 1 inch free. Using your hand, create a small hole in the soil for sapling. Carefully place the sapling into the hole and cover the roots with soil. For decoration, I place this small stone in it. Add water and add few drops of perfume. This will help to keep the plant system fresh and sweet. Water the plant until the bottle is moist but not soaked. Be, be sure to overcome overwater your plant. Continue to care for your plant by watering it regularly and making sure it gets enough sunlight. You can even experiment with different types of plants to find that one that thrives in this environment. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a reusable plant system in a plastic bottle using a sapling and adding a sweet fragrance to it. It's a great way to add some green to your home and keep it smelling fresh at the same time. Thank you